Our role is to protect the jobs of our members, the communities they serve. It's a family. That's what our job is. And again, I heard my colleague talking about so-called independent alliance or rural TDs. It's an absolute and utter disgrace. We expect nothing more from an ex-stockbroker who was ex-Fine Gael as Minister for Transport. We expect nothing more from the blue shirts, but we certainly expected a lot more. We certainly expected a lot more from the so-called social conscious, and I'm naming them today. Finian McGrath, John Hannigan, Kevin Moore, it used to be Boxer, there's now Kevin Moran, Sean Canny. Hang your heads in shame. Hang your heads in shame. It's for us to take the fight to those people inside there. And I made a prediction a number of weeks ago. It wasn't a hollow prediction. I said on the national airways, every opportunity I got, I released press release after press release saying that people inside there better be prepared for the mother of all strikes. And that's exactly where we're heading for. Thank you.